In today's video, I'm going to teach you Ultimate GetFormly tutorial for beginners. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout so you know you're in the right place. On the homepage, look for a button that says something like Get Started, Sign Up, or anything similar. Click that button to begin creating your account. If you want to try the platform for yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the easiest way to get to the right page quickly without interrupting the tutorial. Now you'll be taken to the registration area. Here, enter the required information, such as your email address and password. Depending on what options are available, you may also see alternate sign-up methods, like signing up with another account provider. If those options appear, you can choose whichever one is most convenient for you. Once you've filled everything out, complete the registration process and continue. If GetFormly asks you to verify your email address, head over to your inbox and look for the verification email from the platform. Open that message and click the verification button, or follow the instructions included in the email. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps you access all the available features. After your account is verified, return to the GetFormly website. From there, enter your login credentials and click the login button, or the equivalent option if the wording is slightly different. Once you're signed in, you should arrive at the main dashboard. At this point, it's helpful to briefly look around the dashboard and notice the main sections or navigation areas. As a beginner, the key thing to focus on is where forms are created, where they're managed, and where your general account options are located. Getting comfortable with this layout early on will make the rest of your experience much easier. Next, begin using GetFormly by going to the area where you can create or manage your forms. Start with the most basic action available to a new user, which is simply opening the form creation or form management section. Keep it simple here and focus on understanding where everything begins rather than trying to do too much at once. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, and access the platform from the official website. If you'd like to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.